Have you ever wondered about the chances of rain on a particular day? Or perhaps the likelihood of winning a game of cards? These questions, my friends, delve into the fascinating realm of probability, a branch of mathematics that helps us understand and predict the likelihood of events. In its simplest form, probability is the chance or likelihood of something happening. It's a way of quantifying uncertainty and making sense of the random events that shape our lives. Imagine flipping a coin, for instance. There are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. The probability of getting heads is 1 out of 2, or 50%. Similarly, the probability of getting tails is also 50%. Probability provides a framework for understanding these chances and making informed decisions based on the likelihood of different outcomes. So, buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of probability. From ancient board games to modern casinos, dice have long captivated our imaginations with their element of chance. Each roll of a die is a mini lesson in probability, offering a tangible way to explore the concepts of likelihood and chance. Consider a standard 6-sided die. When you roll it, there are 6 possible outcomes, each representing a different number from 1 to 6. Each outcome has an equal chance of occurring, making it a 1/6 probability for any specific number. Now let's say you want to roll a 4. The probability of that specific outcome remains 1/6, even if you roll the die multiple times. Each roll is an independent event, unaffected by previous rolls. Another simple yet powerful illustration of probability lies in the act of flipping a coin. This seemingly mundane action reveals fundamental principles of chance and uncertainty. When a coin is tossed, there are 2 possible outcomes, heads or tails. Assuming the coin is fair, each outcome has an equal probability of occurring, a 50% chance for heads and a 50% chance for tails. This concept can be further explored by considering multiple coin flips. For example, if you flip a coin twice, there are 4 possible outcomes, heads heads, heads tails, tails heads, and tails tails. The probability of getting 2 heads in a row is 1/4 or 25%. Similarly, the probability of getting tails heads is also 25%. Understanding these probabilities can be valuable in games of chance and beyond. To delve deeper into the world of probability, we must first familiarize ourselves with its fundamental building blocks, events, and outcomes. An outcome, as the name suggests, is a possible result of an experiment or action. For instance, when rolling a die, each face of the die, 1, represents a distinct outcome, 2 represents a distinct outcome, 3 represents a distinct outcome, 4 represents a distinct outcome, 5 represents a distinct outcome, and 6 represents a distinct outcome. An event, on the other hand, is a collection of 1 or more outcomes. For example, rolling an even number, 2 on a die represents an event, 4 on a die represents an event, or 6 on a die represents an event. Understanding the distinction between events and outcomes is crucial for calculating probabilities accurately. Section 5. Sample space, the playground of possibilities. In the realm of probability, the sample space is our playground of possibilities. It encompasses all the potential outcomes of a particular experiment or event. Think of it as a comprehensive list of everything that could happen. For a coin toss, the sample space consists of 2 outcomes, heads and tails. When rolling a die, the sample space broadens to include 6 outcomes, representing the numbers 1 through 6. Defining the sample space is a crucial first step in calculating probabilities, providing a framework for analyzing all possible results. Section 6. The probability formula, unlocking the odds. Now let's unlock the secret code of probability, the probability formula. This simple yet powerful equation allows us to calculate the likelihood of an event occurring. The probability of an event, denoted as P event, is calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. P event equals the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. For instance, let's say we want to find the probability of rolling a 3 on a standard die. There is only 1 favorable outcome, rolling a 3, and 6 total possible outcomes, numbers 1 to 6. Therefore, the probability of rolling a 3 is 1/6. This formula provides a systematic way to quantify the likelihood of various events. Section 7. Probability in action. Real-world applications. Probability is not confined to the realm of textbooks and classrooms. It plays a pivotal role in our everyday lives. influencing decisions in fields as diverse as finance, medicine, and weather forecasting. For instance, meteorologists use probability to predict the likelihood of rain based on historical weather patterns and current atmospheric conditions. Financial analysts rely on probability models to assess risks and make investment decisions. In medicine, probability plays a crucial role in diagnosing diseases, evaluating the effectiveness of treatments, and understanding genetic risks. From our smartphones to the stock market, probability is an invisible force shaping our world. Section 8 Exercises test your probability prowess. Ready to test your newfound probability prowess? Here are a few exercises to put your knowledge to the test. What is the probability of drawing a red card from a standard deck of 52 cards? A bag contains 5 blue marbles, 3 red marbles, and 2 green marbles. What is the probability of randomly selecting a blue marble? If you flip a coin 3 times, what is the probability of getting 3 heads in a row? Answers: 1/2, 1/2, 1/8. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the power of probability. As we conclude our journey through the world of probability, one thing is clear: this fascinating field is more than just numbers and formulas. It's a powerful tool for understanding the world around us. From predicting the weather to making informed decisions, probability empowers us to navigate the uncertainties of life with greater confidence. So embrace the power of probability, my friends, and watch as it unlocks a world of possibilities.